Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hook up the Warn Hub. I'm going to do it on the Axon, and then I'm also going to do it with the VRX, so that way you get a full understanding of how easy it is. I've had a few guys hit me up and they say they weren't very sure about doing this. They didn't know if they could do it on their own, so we're going to put this video together for you guys out there that may not be 100% sure how to do this. First of all, I'm going to tell you the Axon is the easiest one. The VRX does take a little bit more, but that's not really that bad either. So we're going to start with the Axon Hub, and this is how it comes. And we've got her slit down the side so we can get into it nice and easy. You've got directions, you've got zip ties. It comes with zip ties, so when you get your hub on there, you can secure it. So the directions, very, very easy, very self-explanatory. They have everything you need, but we're going to go ahead and show you in a video how easy it is so you know. So this is your Axon, and this is the only wire coming off of your Axon. That's why it is the easiest winch to hook up on the market. It takes about 20-30 minutes and you can have this winch installed, because this is all it is. This wire comes off your winch, and then you also have your positive and negatives come off of here, but that's really easy hookup as well. So this will go up to your dash. This is your in and out selector switch. What we're going to do is we're going to take it apart right here. You see this wire coming off your winch? We're going to take this apart. So we're going to unsnap that. We're going to pull that apart. So then we'll take the hub. And all we're doing is we're taking that hub and we're bridging that. And this will be your Bluetooth hub. So you don't need cell service to use this. You can use your phone on airplane mode to operate the hub. So we're going to put this together. So it's going to snap. You're going to clip that red security pin, and then you're going to come over here and we're going to put this in. We're going to snap that pin in place. Now it's locked in. So there you go, your hub is in and it's ready to go. You put power to it, you hook it back up to the battery, and it'll start flashing, and then all you have to do is get on your phone, open up your Warn Hub app, and you can hook it right up. Alright, now that we showed you how easy it is to hook up the Axon Hub, we're going to show you how to hook up the VRX Hub. And I think this is the one that has some folks a little bit unsure about getting into this and doing it, so I'm going to show you how easy it is. It does have a few more wires to it, so it is maybe a little bit more intimidating than Axon Hub. So what we have here is we've got wires on this end that are going to go to your contactor, and then we have wires on this end. The red is going to go to your key hot, and the black is your ground. So that's all there is to it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the hood on our RMAX and I'm going to show you how to hook this up. Alright, so depending on the vehicle that you have and depending on where your contactor is, we put one on our X2, and that was up underneath the fender. So with this one you can see it's on the top, so it's pretty simple. We'll take this end right here. This end goes to your contactor. And you'll notice on the top of your contactor here, you got green, brown, and black. And then you'll see here you have stickers that are green, brown, and black. So it's pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the black wire. Alright. So then you'll put the black wire on here, just like that. And then the one that you took off, you're going to put back on this piggyback connector, right like that. You don't want to break it off, but you want to get it on there. So that's on there right there. So now you have that back on there. So now we're going to take our brown, this one here, and we're going to put it on the brown. Now sometimes you'll have a wire coming off of this one as well, depending on your winch and what vehicle you have. So then this, green on green, so what we'll do is we'll pull this one off. You want to make sure you pull it by the plastic part here. You don't want to pull it by the wires because you could pull them out. And then we'll put this on here. And then you'll take that same wire and you'll just push it right on, right like that. So now you have your green on green, brown on brown, black on black. Now all we have to do is hook this up to key hot, and we will be ready to show you how to use the hub. Okay, so you'll see whenever you get power to your hub, you're gonna come up with like an amber light. So what you'll do is you'll hold this red button down for a couple seconds and it'll start flashing blue. Okay, now you're ready to go. If you don't have the hub app downloaded already, go into the app store and download the hub app. I already have it on there, so I'm gonna go here and we're gonna go to Warn Hub receivers. And I already have an X2 and an Axon 45 RC. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back here and we're going to add another device. You can add as many of these as you want. Alright, so it's paired to my Bluetooth. I'm going to pair it. Okay, the device is now connected to the receiver. Okay, continue. Okay, now this is where you can name your vehicle. RMAX4. Okay, let's just do that for now. Continue. Okay, it's going to ask you if you want a truck and an SUV or ATV and UTV. Alright, so we're going to go ATV, UTV, and we are going to go VRX because that's the winch we're using here. Alright, your hub receiver is now configured. Start winching. That's all there is to it. That's it. Now you'll notice on this one with the VRX, you don't have the same menu as you do with the Axon. You only have battery. With the Axon, you have load and heat. With this one, you don't have that. So all you need to do is hold that down and unhook it, and now we can winch in and out. And you'll see that your hub is green. As soon as you got it hooked up, your hub went green, and then this is your signal to your hub. You can go 100 feet and this thing still works. It's very accurate. As soon as you touch this, it goes in and it goes out. We'll hit this right here. That's in, that's out. And you can see as soon as you touch that and let off, it starts and stops. Your indicator up top here will tell you how much battery draw you're using, so that way you don't stay on it and kill your battery. You typically, when you winch, you'll winch for a little bit and stop and let the battery come back up, and then you'll winch for a little bit more and stop. You kind of let it catch up. It's kind of like a starter on your vehicle. You don't just keep cranking and cranking. You'll want to give it a little bit and then let off, because you don't want it to overheat and you don't want to draw down your battery. But that's it. It is super simple. You saw how we did it. Now it's just a matter of using the zip ties to run the wires wherever it's going to be good for your location on your vehicle. Zip tie it down and you're ready to winch.